Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button to join our lovely parenting family. Have you ever looked at a plate of food during pregnancy and wondered, is this actually helping my baby grow? When you first find out you are expecting, everyone suddenly becomes a nutrition expert, right? Eat for two, avoid this, drink that. It feels totally overwhelming, doesn't it? Well, take a deep breath, mama. You are doing great, and keeping things safe and simple is much easier than you think. Building a healthy, wholesome pregnancy diet is not about strict restrictions. It is about choosing delicious, nutrient-dense foods that support both your body and your growing baby. First, let us talk about the true superhero nutrients: folic acid and iron. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with natural folate. This nutrient is critical, especially during those early weeks, for healthy brain development. Lentils, beans, and lean meats provide gentle iron, which helps build extra blood cells for you and your baby. Pair these with orange slices or strawberries. The vitamin C helps your body absorb that iron much better. Next up, healthy fats and clean protein. Salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts are rich in omega-3s. These essential fats help build your baby's delicate brain and eyes. Eggs, plain Greek yogurt, and poultry offer steady protein. They keep your energy levels stable and help prevent those sudden, exhausted crashes. Do not forget about proper hydration. Drinking plenty of fresh water throughout the day helps maintain amniotic fluid levels, reduces bloating, and keeps your digestion moving smoothly. If plain water gets boring, try adding fresh cucumber or lemon slices. Now, let us clear up a few safe guidelines. Always make sure your eggs, dairy, and meats are completely cooked through. Avoid unpasteurized juices or raw cheeses to protect your system from unwanted bacteria. Wash all fresh fruits and vegetables thoroughly under cold running water. Every pregnancy is unique, so always listen to your body and rest when you need to. What has been your favorite pregnancy craving or go-to healthy snack so far? Drop a comment down below, leave a like if this helped, and subscribe for more loving mom tips. Take great care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.